Hi guys, today we are going to solve another lead code problem statement. Add two numbers. So let's read it. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in the reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number zero itself. So let me explain the problem statement. It is simple. हमारे पास दो नंबर है, हमको उनको ऐड करना है, उसको रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिंक एज एन लिंक लिस्ट आंसर करना है. सो दिस 243 इज एक्चुअली नंबर 342. तो इसको उल्टा करके रिप्रेजेंट किया है. 564 is 465. So what is the sum of 342 plus 465? Is big, it is 807, right? And we need to pass the answer in the reverse order, 708. So let's take this example. I will explain it. This is our first linked list, and another linked list is this number, right? Okay. So what is the sum of the first number? 9 plus 9, 18. So 8 will be here and 1 will be the carry. What will be the sum of the next number? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19, right? The carry part also. So again, same. 1 plus 1 will be the carry. Then 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 1 will be the carry, right? 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 1 will be the carry, right? 9 plus 1, 10, 0. 1 will be the carry. 9 plus 1, 10, right? 0. 1 will be the carry. 9 plus 1, 10, right? 1 will be the carry. Now there is no node exists, right? Right? So now we just adding the carry part, right? So if we think about it, what will be the time complexity uh, of the solution that we can find out? What we are doing, we are simply uh, looping over the two node and just simply adding the value and passing the carry to the next node, right? This is the first thing. So obviously the time complexity will be uh, uh, the length of the max length, right? The max length of the node first or node list first or list two. So whatever have the bigger size have the time complexity of that. So if it have the size n, right, and it have the size m, right, so I can say the time complexity is n because I will uh, loop over the maximum number of node, maximum number of I will loop over the list that have the maximum number of node, correct? So so what we can do, let's write the pseudo code, very simple pseudo code. We will just iterate while the list one not become null or the list do not become null, right? This way we will iterate over it. We can say we are moving the first list, and we also moving the next list, right? Right. We can simply can find the sum, right? L1 dot whatever the value is plus L2 dot value, right? Right. And we can say we also going to add the carry part, right? So suppose we are on the second node, right? 9 plus 9 plus 18, but we also have the carry part, right? We also need to find the carry that needs to be passed on, right? So that will be obviously uh, some divided by 10, right? 9 plus 9 is 18, right? If you see the first node. So 18 by 10, right? It become 1. That is the carry part. And yeah, we can simply can say some, uh, if we have some kind of uh, head node, right? Uh, Something like head node, we can say ki head equal to head dot next, something like this, or we can say new node, right? Uh, New list node or something, new node, and we can pass these values, right? Some. It will not be some, it will actually be some modulus 10, right? Because 9 plus 9, 18, right? And 18 modulus 10, it become 8. So 8 is the new node. This will uh, look like our pseudo code. Let's code it. So first, we are defining our head node. So this will be our the answer of the problem statement, because we need to pass the head node of the linked list. Uh, okay. So I am uh, initializing with the empty value this node. Then I am iterating over the while loop while L1 is not equal to null, or L2 not equal to null. It means कि till both node will not become null, like दोनों लिस्ट जब तक एंड नहीं हो जाती, 2 4 3, 3 के बाद नल आ जाएगा, राइट? 5 6 4, 4 के बाद नल आ जाएगा, राइट? तो दोनों, जब तक दोनों में से कोई भी एलिमेंट बाकी है, जैसे ये वाली लिस्ट बड़ी थी पर ये वाली लिस्ट छोटी है, राइट? तो 9 के बाद नल है यहाँ पे, फोर्थ एलिमेंट के बाद ही नल है, पर यहाँ पे ये लिस्ट बड़ी है, राइट? तो अगर ये लिस्ट खत्म भी हो जाएगी, तब तब भी हमको इस लिस्ट पे इटरेट करना पड़ेगा। तो दोनों लिस्ट में से कोई भी लिस्ट बड़ी हो सकती है, तो हमको इटरेट जब तक करना है जब तक दोनों लिस्ट खत्म ना हो जाए, राइट? नाउ आई एम डूइंग वन सिंपल लॉजिक. So suppose this is node one value. So I am saying कि if L1, the current node of the list first, is not equal to null, this is our if then else statement. So if L1 is not equal to 1, I am assigning L1 की value, or I am saying कि assign 0 value. This is the case like when we have the smaller list node. This is smaller, right? So I can say कि if you don't have the next value, if you don't have the next node, simply assign a value 0, right? And I can say कि for do the same thing for node 2 also. L2 not equal to null. If you know, if you are not equal to null, assign the value, or assign me the value 0. Simple as that. So now I am finding the sum. That will be node 1 plus node 2, right? One more thing, we need to check the carry part. So I am defining one variable called carry and assigning it a value 0. So I am adding the carry part also, right? Because see, second node 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 90, we are also adding the carry part. So we need to track the carry. So our carry will be, right? What will be our carry? Sum divided by 10, right? 9 plus 9 is 18, right? The first node. And 18 divided by 10, it becomes 1, right? 1, right? So this will be our carry part. Now I am creating our new node. Okay. And what value I need to pass? Can you think about it? It will be some modulus 10, right? How? Our first node is 8, right? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 modulus 10 become 8. So this is our new node. Our head will be the answer. Uh, uh, Remember it. So we need to find the node that is our last node. So currently head node is the last node, and I am saying कि on the last node, on the last node की next value पे new node assign कर दो और last node को move कर दो simply, right? Very simple. Create a new node, assign it to the last node की जो next value है और last node को move कर दो. One more thing we have to do, we now need to move our both L1 and the L2 pointer of the list. So L1 dot next, right? L2 equal to L2 dot next, right? One more thing, like one list can be small and one and another list can be bigger, right? So maybe this will not reach null, right? The next value will not reach null, but here it can reach. So we also need to check like do this condition only when the current node is not equal to null, right? And do the same condition here. Do this condition only when the current node is not equal to null. Okay. कैरी भी अपनी आ चुकी है तो अब अपन को क्या करना है, राइट? वन edge case we need to think, like if both the lists are ended, right? 9 plus 9. In this condition, we have one carry, right? So this carry is when both the list node is ended. बोथ सो जब दोनों के दोनों नोड को इटरेट करके जब सब कुछ खत्म, दोनों नोड नल पर है, this condition as met, right? And this is outside the loop. Then we have this carry part one. So this one also we need to assign. So what we can say कि if there was an carry that is not equal to 0, अगर कैरी नहीं रहेगी तो कैरी की वैल्यू 0 ही रहेगी. अगर कोई कैरी रही तो उसकी वैल्यू नॉट इक्वल टू 0 रहेगी. तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, एक वापस से नया नोड बनाना है, राइट? लास्ट इक्वल टू न्यू नोड डॉट कैरी एंड लास्ट डॉट डॉट नेक्स्ट इक्वल टू न्यू लॉग डॉट कैरी एंड राइट. एंड do we need this? If carry not equal to 0, last dot next equal to new node dot carry and return the head part. One more thing, I have assigned the head as an empty node. So our answer will start with the next node, right? So I can say head dot next. Let's run the code and see if it works. Yeah, it works. Let's submit the code. Yeah, thank you.